Meticulous and Gorgeous best describe this move in ready and fully upgraded home in Riverview. No CDD fees and low HOA. As you enter the home, you will be drawn to the high ceilings, spacious designed floor plan and stunning laminate wood flooring throughout the entire home. The open concept design, warm paint colors, crown molding throughout the home, and modern fixtures are just a few things that make this home so special and very desirable. The kitchen is a welcoming place for gatherings and offers an oversized counter for entertaining your guests. Flowing from the family room is a bright sunroom for you to enjoy the Florida sun while staying in the cool air. Additional upgrades and improvements, here we go. New in 2022 include interior and exterior paint. Love the color. Upgraded, very well maintained and colorful landscaping provide the home excellent curb appeal. Guest bath fully renovated, all new modern light fixtures throughout the home, new top of the line dishwasher, and security system all in 2022. There is more. Roof, 2019, air handler, 2021, granite countertops in the kitchen and quartz countertops in the bathroom, 2020, kitchen cabinets refaced, 2019, master shower remodeled including frameless shower door, 2019, shelves and closet organizer in master, garage storage racks, epoxy flooring, new garage door, 2020, aluminum sided sunroom enclosure added, 2018, home surge protector, 2020, and laminate floors throughout the entire home, 2016. The interior is in excellent condition with attention to detail recognized throughout the home. The exterior is very well maintained, and landscaping looks flawless. The house is impressive and stunning. Don't miss the opportunity to own this fabulous move-in ready and upgraded gem.